how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So we have a reset week. I'm excited, and then I'm gonna meal prep because I saw this girl on YouTube. Her name is Natalie Stinkfield. Please correct me if I'm wrong with the last name, but she is so good. She has this easy and breezy way of preparing your meals, so I think you should check her out. I will link her page down below as well. So I got the Ordinary exfoliating toner. So I have been seeing this all over TikTok. You can use it under your armpits, you can use it on your nose to take away like blackheads, and I have noticed a humongous difference, a huge difference since I've been using it. And I definitely do use it on my armpits and my face because I tend to have like breakouts on my nose and my cheeks. So I've been using it. So good, fantastic. So why didn't you guys tell me about Kahali? You guys have been holding out on me for this. I have been seeing this everywhere. I mean the thing is, Kahali has been around for a long time, but I've never really took time to get a whiff of their fragrance, of the scents. It is beautiful, it is gorgeous, it is lovely, it is fantastic. This is what the girls need. Like, it's so good, it's so feminine, and it's warm, it's cinnamon, it's vanilla, it has this kind of like hint of bourbon, I think, on it in there. I got the mini size because I wanted to test it out. So I am influenced, and I'm definitely gonna get the biggest size. I think for me, I will use this as a top off because I love vanilla as that lasting, lingering scent, and it's just so good. Oh my gosh, oh my god, it has this nice warm scent to it. Like, this is beautiful. And this is the vanilla 28. So again, I will get the bigger size. I just wanted to get the mini sample so I can just see how it is, because that's the kind of person I am. I don't like to spend money on things that I have never had and then I have to return it and go through all the hassle. No. So I just usually buy like the samples or the mini size, try it first, then if I like it, we're gonna get it. So I am definitely going to get it. I love it. And I'm also thinking about the other one. I think it's called something vanilla 42 royal something 40. I'm gonna look into the name, but I want to get that as well. I got the big box for the Jisoo hair perfume. I have been wanting to get the big bottle, and I got it. A little bit of a what is it called? SMAR. All right, so we're gonna open it up right here. Oh my gosh, I love Jisoo hair perfume. It's just so feminine. It smells like honeybee, beautiful spring gardens, and is very feminine and clean, and I think that's why I'm obsessed with it. You need to go get it. It's so nice. I also spray it on my body as well. I mean, why not? So yeah. Oh gosh, it smells so good. All right, talk to you later. Bye.